Kawei naki skul kaba ïarap iki khynnah kiba pep skul shiteng por bakin yo ailad ban bteng biang yaki jingpule kata ka RC Eve Secondary School Mihmyntdu West Jaiñtia Hills mynta ka sngi kalale Burom yakani ka sngi World Literacy Day arhajar arphulai halor ka phang ka baong promoting literacy for a world in transition, building the foundation for sustainable and peace societies. La pynlong yaka program bynta ban ailad iki khynnah school bakin pynpaw pyrthei yaki sap ki phong jong ki naduh ki jingpule yaki poetry ki jingkren lingkot ki bayadei pat ka jing kordor banyo yaka jing nang jing start ha ka bala pynlong ru yaka jing yakob drodur bat ka jing thop poetry. Hashwa kani ladon ka jing yalang balingkot bala penyat de kakong Baiahunlang Phawa assistant teacher ha ka bala yok ka jingkren nak headmaster jong kani ka school kakong Tina Lakiang ka bala pensngau baya kani ka sngi la rakhi yaka naduh ka snem khat khandai spa anrio pun rio henry kum ka school kala persyang ban rakhi yaka ni ka sngi man la ka snem kum ka dak ban wan ra biang ki khynnah ki bala pep school shaka jing nang jing start naduh usnem bala seng yaka ni ka school arhajar arpusau hashnong Mihmyntdu ka jing nang jing start hakani ka shnong ka don tangkum bas 10% henry mynta ka laki siya ka khandai persen bat ka long ka jing mentoy ka ba kraw klem ka jing nang jing start kan long ka jing sa din ya ka imlang ka sa lang bat ka rihi baro Kawei kumta ka school ka bu khmat ban ïarap iki khynnah ki bala pep school shiteng por lapen kut ka kong lakiang lapen shong shit chu ekani ka sngi da ka jing shat pliang da ki khynnah jong kani ka school ha ka bala yo ru ki jingkren halor kani ka phang da ka Jessica biam assistant teacher.
Class 10. I am 17 years old. The speech I said that this poetry recitations like this: one pens and one books and one students, one teachers. Then we can change the world. How? Like this: when we have pen to write and when we have book to read, then we can change the world, and the teachers teach us, and we students we try to work hard to change the world. If we have all these teachers, books, pens, then we are literacy. We are literate and we become educated. Like Miss said, this education is very important in the modern world. So there is one scientific man, and don't remember that man. He said that education is the most powerful in the modern world. Thank you.
So now I would like to speak in all kind of way so that everyone can understand well. Literacy man ko em kam ha ke tingnan start ko em kam ko kan ni ha prthai yang i lada ka tingnan start kan ni em ko ha i ngawa phi do lai na ke ting dom che ting dom hen rei nga phi to em kam ke ting start ting tip khnam ko ke ting im yong i man ko ke ting ko ter chai la de lai hai won le ha em ke tingnan start man ter chai ko ke ting yong i pen ter chai ko la de em hai won le la da i lai haluti la de em ke tingnan start la de ong lai che tu guluti ti betul speri tu sign board ti betul pure tu sign board kamon uti ula cha tu ti henry ho em ke jing nan jing start hei te ra ti pure ke pure puthiu man ko em kam ha nga phi la da nga em mo ke e mo ke tri mo ngau man ka ute u ute la dam em ke jing nan jing start kamon pu man ka te ke dream biang nga kamon pu man ko wo se so kamon man ko te success henry ha em ke jing nan jing start pu man success ko te ke dream biang nga te ke literature ke knowledge ko nga phi em kam hai jing biang i kani ke prthai la dam em ke jing nan jing start ngai janawar ro i man ha ke jing dom henry to pen em kami ka kat i wadang yo i la school kan ni rang yo i prthai wadang start to pen kami ka te ke jing nan jing start khnang ke jing im yong i man ko water chai nei pha ke jing nan jing start i kani am kerta re pem kam ho ki ga ke jing nan jing start man ko ke water chai ni ta ke we phrna yong i du ni kan ten ku be spon
veng fly school hadin lai Jaiñtia barato amin jong ga youth convention jong ga diocese yong i te hite chem yu pedar ngal chim program chim benta ha katega chim benta katega yesen jong ga youth convention yong i Okay, saya lap yang kikin ro, te chimbenta hite, te hite pedar le ring video kinga hite pedar ya kelam kinga, te yiti midi, te nite te chim number phone ya ye hite nite, te haga WhatsApp ya text message pedar chi, te nga choong kwa alai skora.
Ora celebrate ya brother ik satumbar ajar pule. Kami jingsia to nga tong literacy day to kajing nang distan. Kamong tuni long view kulam yu penchelai kamong persiap to yu perthai wara uwi. Ton perchangi uman kangte ude nyudang kien uman whatsa se so umhai o sumar bhau ditor komne kam wadang plung ri ni proi jemu perkari kam tam kam I khynnah skor wa em jing prepati yo yi pende hok iti kamera mengi hampat gitu girong sngi go yi pen be pi kam tam ni kepor kam yonga kyong pi rang khai kro yo ma go pen be thai kan ngai yo te kam wah ndo wala iklamo skeri te nem kam sap ga hok ga yong pi pendep di pure putih yong pi ham up di garong prthai ko do yi pi do tip pi chisen ga sngi to prthai do ngo ba ka ja pi man pi te bru em ni kastat ka kor wa khli tam do te ran hi
help you to know how to speak in English, help you to read. You will know how to read because why? It helps you to build your future. There is no future, my dear student, if you are illiterate. Now you know how to write your name. You know how to read your books. If you want to go for any job outside, you need qualifications. You need certificate. Without education, you will not get that. What will you do in this modern world if you don't know even how to spell your name, even how to read your name, isn't it? So that's why being illiterate is very difficult in this modern world. You have written all the slogan for today's program, literacy. What we learn, we become part of what we are. Literacy is the currency of the knowledge we learn. Literacy helps to prevent poverty. It encourages us to bring more and more and more ideas. Now you are going to do your drawing competition. Now you are going to do your poetry writing. Why?
This day, every year, just to remind us that literacy is very important in our day-to-day life. Without literacy, then we will remain backward. We will remain as we don't know. So, with this increase of literacy, with the increase of children drop out and never enroll coming to the center, we are having more courage how to carry on with our work here, and we will continue it as long as we have this dropout, as long as we have this never enroll. And then when they are back to the normal school, that also we will take care of them. So with this word, I say thank you to all of you who were, most of you came as dropout, and you came also as never enrolled. But now you are in a normal school, in the normal school of this school, though we still have 104 here. So thank you.